Hi, welcome. Today, let's see how to use motion controller or motion control card with ZIO expansion module through CAN. Here, now, it shows required hardware. 2 power modules. 1 ZMC408CE motion controller. 1 ZIO 1616MT expansion board. 1 ZIO 3232MT expansion board. 2 STP and several cables. At first, connect 2 powers of controller and expansion board. And GND of controller main power should be connected to GND of expansion main power. In this way, to prevent CAN chip from burning out. Let's wire this. While wiring CAN bus, please note connect correspondingly. That is, CAN L connects CAN L, CAN H connects to CAN H. Especially when there are several CAN expansion modules connected. Except the wiring 1-to-1. One 120 ohm resistor is needed between 2 ends in parallel. Because it can match circuit impedance and can ensure stability. And in controller/card side, connect one 120 ohm resistor between CAN L and CAN H. Including the last CAN expansion module DIP. In severe interference occasions, please replace the communication cable as STP. Now, let's wire it. Red one is connected to CAHL. Black one is connected to CAN H. After this, CAN expansion module I/O power supply also should be connected. Because CAN I/O power and controller power are separate. When all these are over, it still needs to supply independent power for expansion module I/O. It can be seen there is 1/8 code dip switch. 4 are for expansion I/O starting number. They are 4 binary combination values composed by 0 to 15. Each combination value has one corresponding I/O starting address. Code 5 and code 6 determine the communication velocity. They are composed by 0 to 3, 2 binary combination values. Also, each one has an independent speed. Default value is 0, and the corresponding speed velocity is 500 km. Code 7 is mainly reserved. Usually no need to operate it. Make it be off. But for some modules, like here ZIO 3232MT, dial it is on, which means former 6 codes are enabled. Code 8, on means one 120 ohm resistor is connected between CANH and CANL. Attention, when there are many modules, only operate the last one code 8. At the same time, when there are several slave stations, connect one 120 ohm resistor between CANL and CANH of main controller externally. Wiring is done. Next, according to DIP rule, distribute starting address. Then, power on and see the effect. Powered on, it can be seen power LED and run LED are on. But ALM LED is off. At this time, no problem. Let's confirm it in the software. Open our free development software Artesis. It supports 2 languages, Chinese and English. And the content are corresponding. Connect to the controller, ZMC408CE. Connected. Find controller and click State the controller. Find the second one ZCAN nodes. It can be seen there shows information immediately. Local means ZMC408CE controller. ID 3 means ZIO 1616. All distributed addresses are shown clearly. Okay, basic wiring and related knowledge is over. Thank you for your waiting. And you also can refer to corresponding article in our website. In next video, we will talk about how to use controller with ZIO 310 CAN expansion modules. See you next time. And have a nice day.